Hi, good morning. My name is Anuj Gupta from Tag Investments. Welcome to the Market Outlook. Market क्या लगता है? नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अनुज गुप्ता है. आप लोगों का स्वागत करते हैं Market Outlook. Market क्या लगता है? We go live every day between 8:45 a.m. to 9 a.m. and discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, currency, stock pick of the day, technicals, fundamentals, global news, and more. So let us get started with today's session. Yesterday we saw Nifty opening positive, but it could not sustain. Profit booking happened. It drifted sharply down. But the good part is it picked up momentum and it recovered a few losses. However, it closed negative at 17,758. The key level to watch out would be this the psychological earlier resistance level, which is 17,777. If it manages to hold above that, can we see a further upside to 17,900 and then 18,000 levels? On the support, 17,650 and 17,580 remain intact. As per the charts, it is following a bearish candles, which is a sign of concern. Having said that, we are seeing that the dips are being bought, so overall stance remains to be positive in the market going forward. The volatility index is inching upwards on a day-to-day basis, and it has now crossed 18 marks, and hence you can say volatile swings cannot be ruled out. On the bank Nifty, again, it closed in the previous sessions, it closed at a lifetime high, at a high of 38,000 plus, but it could not sustain and closed to 37,945. The key level to watch out would be 37,850. If it manages to hold above that, can we see 38,300 and 38,500 acting as the resistance level, and the support side 37,500 and 37,300 acting as the support levels. On the option setup, we feel that on the option buying, one can go with a Nifty monthly 17,700 call on a support at lower zones. Option strategy, one can go with a Nifty monthly bull call ladder spread by buying 17,700 call, selling 17,800 call, and selling 17,900 call at a net cost of around 12 to 13 points. Option writing, one can go with Nifty monthly 17,400 put, 18,050 call in pair with inflow of around 23 24 points with strict double stop loss due to higher volatility. The technical pick for the day is Kotak Bank. Buy on dips is suggested. One can trade in the range of 2068 with a stop loss of 2010 for a target of 2170. On the USD INR front, the USD INR pair recovered sharply and it closed above 74 mark, 74.35, and in the overnight market 74.3. USD INR is likely to trade in a higher range between support at 74.1 and intraday resistance near 74.5. Strong lower support is at 73.8, while trendline resistance is at 74.7. Global markets yesterday plunged 1.6 to 2.8% lower, driven by rising US Treasury yields, deepening concerns over persistent inflation, and contentious debt ceiling negotiations in Washington. The US dollar climbed to its highest level in more than 10 months to 93.75 levels as bond yields rose to 3-month high at 1.54%. Currently, Dow future is trading 0.4% higher. European indices yesterday ended more than minus 2% lower. Most of the Asian indices are trading 1 to 2% lower. So the global cues are negative. Indian markets yesterday opened positive but could not sustain at higher levels and witnessed profit booking. However, it made smart recovery towards the fag end of the session, recouping over half of the losses to finally end the session at minus 0.6% lower, down 106 points to close at 17,748 levels. FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1958 crores. DIIs were net buyers to the tune of 161 crores. Currently, SGS Nifty is trading 95 points down, which is 0.5% lower. So the domestic cues are also negative, and we should open on a negative note. As far as the news is concerned, HDFC AMC promoter Standard Life Investment is offering 1.06 crore shares, current holding 4.5 crore shares in HDFC AMC in an accelerated placement. The floor price has been fixed at 2870, which is at a discount of 6.68% to yesterday's closing price. It seeks up to $411 million from HDFC AMC share sale. So this is a good buying opportunity for long-term perspective. As far as HDFC AMC is concerned, Max Healthcare PE major KKR is selling a 6.5% stake in Max Healthcare Institute worth $300 million or rupees 2220 crores in a block trade. Price range between 350 to 369.7 a share. The last closing price was at 370. Again, a buying opportunity for long-term perspective. M&M, according to media reports, M&M is weighing options to raise funds for its automobile Pininfarina unit as it seeks to bring a delayed $2.2 million electric hypercar into production. So this is a positive sign for M&M. As far as the fundamental ideas are concerned, the first is Kotak Bank. Recovery started from the month of June 2021 onwards, and July, August 2021 continues to show healthy improvement. Apart from banking business, capital market business picking up well, while insurance sector was largely impacted by higher COVID claims. So overall, Kotak Bank is positive. And first actionable idea for today at the current market price of 2068. The second is Bharat Electronics at a current market price of 210, target price of 240. It's a buy. Uh, Diversification on track, rising indigenization bodes well. Bharat Electronic is scaling up the non-defense business and is aiming at 20 to 30% share in total revenue over the next few years. That is 10. It is 10% now approximately. It has presently ventured into medical electronics, entered SaaS software as a service last year, and ventured into railway and metro business recently. We forecast a revenue, EBITDA, PAT, CAGR of 11, 8, 10% respectively over FY21-24 estimates. We have built in sufficient margin cushion as we assume an EBITDA margin of 21% over FY22-24 estimates versus 22.6% reported in FY21. At the current market price of 210, the stock trades at 20 times, 19 times FY23 estimates, FY24 estimates P, despite a ROE, ROC of 18, 19% FY23 estimates, dividend yield of 2%, and free cash flow yield of 2 to 3%. So overall, the view is buy, and it is also doing well in the defense segment, its core segment, and the government scheme of Make in India has released, you can say, few items which one can produce and make in India, out of which are around 692 items, out of which Bharat Electronics has shortlisted 69 and given a bid, and out of which 30 are already in production. So overall, a good buy and a good fundamental stock to purchase at the current market price. The top research ideas for a time frame of more than 1 year are Tata Motors, LIC Housing, Godrej Consumers, United Spirits, Whirlpool, for an upside between 17 to 22%. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for the watch. Have a good day. Happy trading, happy investing. In case you've not subscribed to our channel yet by the name of Tag Investments on YouTube, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever we go live and upload any video, you get the maximum information